In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Wix Studio. Wix Studio is a powerful platform that allows you to build, manage, and expand your digital presence efficiently. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to download and set up Wix Studio on your device, ensuring that you have access to all the tools you need to get started on your website development journey. Let's begin by navigating to the necessary web pages. First, you'll want to head to the Wix homepage to begin accessing their suite of tools. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and entering homewix.com into the address bar. This will lead you to the main Wix website. It's always a good idea to log into your account if you haven't already. Logging in ensures you can seamlessly transition through the setup steps with your personalized settings ready for use. Now, with that done, let's move to the next step, which is visiting the Wix Studio page. Type wix.com Studio into your web browser. This directs you to the dedicated Wix Studio section of the website, where you can explore various features and capabilities specifically designed for professional web creation. Browsing through this page will give you a better understanding of what Wix Studio offers, setting the stage for the tools you'll soon have at your fingertips. As we continue, I want to guide you on accessing your browser's settings. If you're using Google Chrome, this is particularly simple. You'll need to locate the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner of the browser window. Click on these three dots to open a drop-down menu that presents several options. These settings will provide you the creative flexibility to integrate and manage Wix Studio more efficiently. Once you are in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Cast. This feature is particularly useful when you want to project your screen onto other devices or save web pages for offline use. For our purpose, we will focus on installing the page as an app. This function allows you to save Wix Studio and access it directly from your device's start menu or home screen, considerably simplifying future usage. Now, return to the web page displaying Wix Studio and click Install Page as App. This action will integrate Wix Studio into your desktop environment, letting you open it quickly, just like any other application on your computer. By saving it this way, you streamline your workflow and ensure that you're always a click away from developing stunning websites. And there you have it. By following these steps, you're all set to harness the full power of Wix Studio right from your computer. As you grow familiar with its features, you'll discover even more ways to optimize and enhance your web creation skills. Thank you for tuning in, and happy building with Wix Studio.